You might be unsure of what the iCloud Photos does, so in this video, I'm going to talk about on what happens if you turn off iCloud Photos. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, I'm going to show you where this is situated on your iPhone. So open up your Settings app and click your name at the very top of this settings page. And from this page, you should be able to see the iCloud option right above the Media and Purchases option. So tap on it and you will see under the apps using iCloud, you can see photos. So this is the iCloud Photos we are referring to. And iCloud Photos will let you store your photos in iCloud and view and share them on all your devices and on iCloud.com. So this is basically linked to your Apple ID, and the photos that you have uploaded on your iCloud will be synced all through your devices with the same Apple ID or iCloud account. So from here, if you want to turn off the iCloud Photos, for example, I'm going to tap on this toggle button to turn it off. This window will pop up, so it will ask you if you want to download a copy of your iCloud Photos to your iPhone, because the photos and videos that have been optimized to save space is uploaded on your iCloud Photos. So turning it off will have it removed from your iPhone because it is uploaded to the iCloud Photos or the iCloud server. But turning off the iCloud Photos will remove those, but the original full versions will still be available on other devices using iCloud Photos. So you'll have these two options, so just do whichever is your case. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.